Skyscrapers, shopping malls, and buzzing data centers. What if you could own a slice of them all for the price of a movie ticket? Welcome to VNQ, Vanguard's Real Estate Index Fund ETF. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how this single fund turns bricks and mortar into digital shares you can trade in seconds, and whether it deserves a spot in your portfolio. First, the big picture. VNQ's mission is simple: mirror the performance of the broad U.S. real estate market. Instead of trying to outsmart the market, it owns virtually every major publicly traded real estate company in America and lets the collective power of those businesses do the heavy lifting. Think of it like buying a whole fruit basket rather than guessing which single apple will taste best. You get the sweetness of the entire harvest and skip the worry of picking wrong. What's inside that basket? Mostly real estate investment trusts, REITs for short. These are companies that own or operate income-producing properties. VNQ's holdings stretch across a colorful map of sectors: sleek office towers and bustling city centers, vast warehouse complexes that feed the global e-commerce boom, apartment blocks housing thousands of tenants, hospitals and care facilities serving local communities, self-storage units packed with forgotten treasures, and even those slender cell tower spires that keep your phone connected. Each sector hums to a different beat, so when one part of the property world slows down, another can pick up the rhythm. That built-in variety helps smooth out the bumps. Geographically, the fund is concentrated in the United States, but don't let that fool you into thinking it's parochial. Many of the companies inside VNQ rent space to international brands, power cloud networks for users on every continent, and benefit from travel, trade, and technology flows that crisscross the globe. For investors in Europe, Asia, Africa, or Latin America, VNQ offers an easy doorway into the world's largest real estate market without needing to understand local zoning rules or hunt down individual U.S. stocks. Who might find VNQ appealing? Picture someone who already owns a broad stock fund and wants an extra flavor that can march to a different drumbeat. Real estate has historically provided a steady rental income and a partial buffer against rising prices, making VNQ attractive to long-term savers seeking diversification and a potential hedge when inflation jitters hit. Because property cycles can swing slowly, it works best for patient investors who plan to hold for years, not days. Here are 3 practical tips before you hit the buy button. 1. Start small and add regularly. Treat it like planting seeds. Over time, roots deepen and branches spread. 2. Pair VNQ with a broad global equity or bond fund to avoid putting all your eggs in the property basket. 3. Review your overall portfolio once a year. If real estate booms and grows beyond your comfort zone, prune it back the same way you'd trim an overgrown hedge. To wrap up, VNQ offers a turnkey path to own a diversified patchwork of properties, from skyline icons to invisible digital infrastructure, through a single, low-cost ETF. If you value steady income, want exposure beyond traditional stocks and bonds, and can stay invested through the ups and downs of the real estate cycle, VNQ could be a powerful building block. Just a heads up, nothing in this video is financial advice, it's all for information only. Explore more tips on money and investing at Money Nova's website. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.